And then I got some strawberries. All right, you guys, I'm back.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
Good morning, you guys. Sa Kap Fet. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Elsia. If you haven't already subscribed yet, girl, boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll go ahead and give you a minute. There you go. Anyways, I feel like I'm always starting my vlogs out in the kitchen or car or something. But anyways, I am headed to the gym, and girl, I haven't been to the gym in like, I'm ashamed to even tell you, like 2 months. But I've done Pilates in the middle of it, you know, but whatever. But I'm excited to go. Let me take these off because I can barely hear what I'm saying. I'm excited to go because, you know, sometimes you just get in those ruts and you just need to get up out of them ruts and you just find the motivation and you go. And I realize when I force myself or overwhelm myself too much about not doing certain things, I just prolong it even more. So I just tell myself, nah, go through your little feelings, go through your little emotions. And, you know, Aunt Flo's around, so she's really being a hater. But we're gonna move and we gotta get the ball rolling. You know what I'm saying? Because your girl got to get the body together, okay? But I am about to eat a banana, get me some water and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna get ready to go. So if I do any recordings, I don't like to record too much at the gym because it's kind of awkward. I don't like people looking at me. So I just try to keep it as low key as possible. But I'm gonna try to get a couple clips in or whatever. So if I do get any clips, I'll add it. But if not, I'll see you guys later.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
What's up, you guys? I am out of the gym. You know that workout you do after you haven't been to the gym in a long time, girl, it'd be like a kind of a struggle because you're trying to get back into the groove of things, and that's how I'm feeling. But I ordered some food so I can get to eat because, you know, you gotta feed them gains or whatever. And like I said, sometimes getting back into that routine is a struggle. So if you haven't been to the gym, get your butt up and go. Just do it. Don't even think about it. Just do it. Don't think about nothing. Just do it. If anything, just think about what part of your body you want to work out. And if you can't think of that, just do a full body workout. Just get your body moving. But I'm about to go pick up my food and then I'm gonna head home and relax. No, matter of fact, I need to go to Whole Foods too because you're gonna need to pick some things up because I haven't been eating my fruits because I don't know if it's just me or if it's just around here. But fruits and vegetables, they don't be lasting like that no more. And it's annoying because I don't want to be doing all this cleaning and apple cider vinegar and buying all this extra wash to wash fruits and it's a lot, okay? I mean, granted, I still wash off my fruits before I eat them. You know what I'm saying? Even if I don't do the initial eating, you know, cleaning it off like right when I purchase it because I just want to put my groceries up and get moving, okay? Like I can be lazy sometimes because I don't like having to do all these extra steps. Like I can be extra when it comes to certain things, but sometimes I just want to get shit done and get going, okay? I've been so annoyed with the fruits and buying fruits because by the time it hits like the 3rd day, if you don't eat them things within like a day or two, they'll spoil. And it's so annoying because I'm like, you know. And I mean, I have, like, you know, cut my strawberries up, washed them, put them in a container. I've tried maybe 1 or 2 tricks, and it kind of has helped, but overall it's still annoying, and I'm sick of it. Okay, but yeah, that's my little rant about this fruit situation, because this ain't making no sense to me. Okay, because I miss eating my strawberries with my yogurts and my granola crumbles and stuff like that. So yeah, so let me go pick up my food. Like I said, you haven't got up, get your butt up, go to the gym, do what you got to do, get some food in your system first, or whatever, if that's what you prefer. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys later.
I'm so groovy.
Y'all, so all these proteins, I never tried all these things, but because I normally always get the Orgain protein, but I wanted the smaller one because $43, yeah, you know, Whole Foods be playing. I've heard of this one, the Orgain oat milk protein powder, but I don't really think I like oat milk like that. I wanted the smaller one of this, and they don't have it because I really don't want to buy that big old thing. I just like smaller portions, you know what I'm saying? What kinds have you guys tried? Because, you know, when I get too anxious when I see so many options, because I don't be knowing which one to pick. And in my mind, it be too much.
Daikon, alfalfa, and probiotics.
And which one is that one? That's the...
This one is the Fit.
The Fit. What flavors do they have?
Vanilla and chocolate.
Vanilla and chocolate. I like vanillas because with chocolate, I don't like chocolate when it comes to protein.
Like $53.
I know, it's so expensive, isn't it? Oh boy. I see why it's popular, but yeah. I don't know if I want to spend $53 on that. Yeah. So I'm back home. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I didn't get much, honestly. I just got some backyard barbecue chips, the kettle. They were 2 for $6, and then I got the sour cream and onion one. Starbucks coffee, because I've been looking for the medium roast, the unsweetened, for forever, and it's been just sold out everywhere, so I don't know. So I got that, and I wanted to try these Just water, so I got 2 of those. Hold on. And then I got some strawberries, and I try to check them out before I buy them. So hopefully these do good. I'm gonna rinse them off and then put them in the little container, but not right now because the girl tired. And then I also got this Orgain Simple plant protein powder. It has 20 grams of protein, it's gluten-free, it has nuts and seed, and I got the creamy vanilla kind. I usually always used to get the Orgain, and they changed the look, so I didn't even see this. I saw the big container, and I was like, oh, I didn't want the big container. And the guy there was very helpful because he's the one that actually noticed it, because I wouldn't have even gotten it. And plus, it was like $36, and you know, it's Whole Foods, so obviously it's gonna be expensive. But I'm excited to get back on my protein because your girl has lost weight. Like, I don't mind it, but I still want my, you know, I still want to be filled in areas that need to be filled or whatever. I am about to eat my Moe's. I got Moe's. And I always get like the mini kids quesadilla because I don't be needing all that stuff. So I'm about to eat, chill, vibe, and then I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? Whew, I just woke up from a nap and I feel a little tired still, but I just need to get myself together. But I'm not gonna make this long. I'm about to do my makeup. I am going to go see the Black Panther movie, and I'm excited to see it. So I'm just about to go get dressed, get my makeup done. My show starts at 5:30. It is 4:35 right now, so I wanted to give myself enough time to get dressed. I just showered. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna wear. I'm wearing my Tory Burch purse. This, I forgot where I got it. I think I got it from like Ross or something. It's like a jacket, a camouflage jacket, which I love. And then this is a bodysuit from Shein. It goes all the way down. And I'm also going to wear these boots. I believe I got them from Forever 21. And I am going to accessorize, but not much. Probably going to wear like this gold, this gold right here. And then just my watch, either this one or that one. And then my fragrance is probably going to be either the Replica Autumn Vibes, or I might do my Marc Jacob Perfect. So we'll see. But let me Hurry up and start on my makeup so I can get this thing done, girl, because you know we trying to look cute or whatever. So I'm gonna prop y'all up. I'm not gonna give like a whole makeup video because no, I'm trying to be in and out. Like it is 4:35. I want to be done by 5 o'clock, so this is gonna be quick and simple. So let's see how I do. So this is the before. Okay, so this is the before. This is how your girl looking right now, real raggedy, but we gonna get there, and I'll come back with after. All right, you guys, I'm back and I'm looking much better. How do I look? All right, so let me zoom back out. All right, so this is my outfit. Like I said, I wanted to keep it cute but still simple, and I'm loving it. I wore my NARS matte finish foundation, and I think I need to spray a little bit of that one size, and girl, today was a good makeup day. I am so late. The movie starts at 5:30. Well, you know, previews and all that. Plus, I'm gonna get it like a little snack. But let me see if I can give y'all. Let me close these blinds, girl. Hold on. So nobody looking inside. And let me brighten this up. Hope you guys can see. I'll give you guys a better look. But basically, this is the bodysuit. Oh my God, it's so dark. I don't know. Well, you guys get the picture, right? I don't know. But it's so dark. I guess because I'm wearing black. But I'm wearing my boots, like I said. And here's the fit. And the makeup is giving. And I'm going to wear... Okay, I got to come back over here because it's too dark. But yeah, so... This is how I look. Your girl is giving. The mama is outside. Like, oh. So let me go because I'm running late. But y'all see the face? I'm getting hot as shit. Like, the one thing about doing your makeup, you're gonna get hot, okay? But yeah, so this is where I'm at with it, girl. Your girl is looking too cute. Let me take some pictures and I'll be out of here. But I'll see you guys later, man, because I'm running behind.
A little minute, but it's worth the wait. Everything starting to feel like a birthday. Niggas tried this shit on me in the worst way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all. Yeah. Baby, I deserve it all. Yeah. And I'm like, I deserve it all.
Estoy frío, I'm way colder. I'm coming, mentirosa, el palomo, no me joda. Estoy frío, I'm way.
Y'all, so I just got back from the theaters and the movie was great. I won't spoil it for anyone who hasn't seen it, but it was great. I loved the ending of it. The music choices also were top tier. Like, I loved the music choices. But now it is 8:52 and mama ain't ready to just be in the house. So I'm about to hit up this spot that I went to last night, actually, that I found. And it's like a bowling alley / like a little lounge, and it's real good vibe. The DJ from last night was hitting, so I'm trying to go back and run it back. Okay, so I'm about to head there and get me just like one drink. I gotta put gas too, but I hate putting gas at night. But your girl's car is on E because I've been tripping and I haven't been putting gas in my car, so that's my bad. Okay, and I've been needing to catch a vibe because your girl has just been blah. I don't know, whatever they call it, Mercury, Saturn, whatever, retrograde. I don't know if that's what it is, but regardless, I just been wanting to catch a vibe, just be around some good energy, some good music, and I'm gonna go catch it.
Estoy frío, I'm way colder. I'm coming, mentirosa, el palomo, no me joda. Custom yours, it came ordered. I'm that bitch and you're ahora. He called me abusadora. Papi, tú lo sabes que lo vengo hecho con. These niggas is capping, they should wear a sombrero. I would share my man before I share my dinero. Muerta on my money on my cabello. I make international plays. Papi, tú lo sabes que lo vengo hecho con. I make international.
Boy, we had a time last night. Boy, we had a time last night. I'm just...
See me better? Good morning, you guys. It is 9 o'clock on the dot and your girl is up, okay? I got up and I went for a morning walk and I'm so proud of myself because, girl, I just did it. I didn't even think about it. I just did it. So I'm proud of me or whatever, and I'm so happy. I did like 3 laps around my block or whatever, so I wanted to get my steps in. Ooh, let me turn this down so the girl don't get copyrighted. But I'm just chilling. As you saw, I made myself a smoothie and then I also had 2 boiled eggs. I'm about to go get myself showered and get ready for the day, put myself together because I still got these clothes on. And I didn't want to end off the vlog and not say bye to you guys, so here I am saying goodbye or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it wasn't much going on, but this is just me on my day-to-day, you know, everyday life. It's not always on and popping, but I just do what I gotta do. And there's times where, you know, I'm home. I'm like more of a homebody. I'm one of those people where my personality confuses people. Like, I'm outgoing, but at the same time I like to be home. So if you get it, then you get it. But yeah, so I went out, just enjoyed myself. The movie was great. I didn't want to spoil it, that's why I didn't really show anything after that. But you know, it was a good movie. I really enjoyed it. I love the concept of it. I love that they put so much in there. So when you go watch it, if you go watch it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to go get myself showered and get myself together. And yeah, let me know what was your favorite part of the video or whatever. And you know, sometimes you just have to go out by yourself. You have to go out and enjoy your own company. I know most of the times we're so used to doing things where people are wanting to do things with people, but there's times where you just got to be like, all right, you know what, girl, get up, okay? So if you're one of those people that like to, you know, do solo things, then you feel me, okay? So I'm her, I'm that girl. I'm used to doing everything by myself anyway, so you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I won't keep you much longer. I'm gonna go put myself together and get myself together. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces!